Hi everyone, and welcome to day 28 of the challenge 30 faces in 30 days. I've been so busy lately, I've had a hard time finding time to draw and especially to edit all those videos every day. And I actually have to apologize to all of you because I haven't had much time to answer all your comments, and I will. I promise I will. But for now, again, because I don't have much time, I have a quick sketch for you, and it's actually something that was a lot of fun to do. My mom sent me a package with lead holders, and they're big leads. They're 5.6 millimeters. I've done a couple sketches already for my challenge with big leads like that, one in sanguine and one in, I believe it was charcoal. And I really like it because it's bold, and having a big lead like that prevents me from trying to do too many details, which is good for me because I tend to do that too much. But my mom sent me also some fun leads that came with those lead holders. And one in particular by KOH-I-NOOR is called the Magic Lead, and it basically has a bunch of colors in it. So I thought I'd do something with it, and I just sketched a face with it. I used a really cool reference photo from the Sketchy app again, and this one would have been actually fun to do in a monochromatic color because the shadow is so dramatic, and you could just block in all those shadows and have a really nice portrait. But I just wanted to try it with my Magic Lead and see what I would come up with. So I tried it. I did a few swatches on a piece of paper first. And in my mind, I thought that I would just try to twist the lead and use the colors that I could use depending on where they were located at the tip. But not even after a minute of trying to do that, I realized it was impossible. So I ended up just using it as if it was graphite, and then I just went for it. So all my strokes had different colors and they were all mixed up. But the funny thing is, I thought it would just make mud and not be really nice, but I think it looks really good. I think all those colors end up working well together for some reason. I was really surprised. So I started again with my circle and I tried to do my best, but I went really fast. So I realized that maybe the distance between the nose and the top lip might have been a bit too short, and the angle of the face was so that it kind of threw me off a little bit. But it was a really fun challenge. I liked it very much. I tried to use an eraser in some places, but I think the lead is a little bit too waxy, and it ended up smudging the colors first, and then I was able to remove them. But it left, I think, some residue on the paper, so when I added more layers on it, it was not quite right. But other than that, it's really a fun lead to use, so I'm probably going to try to doodle more with it and play with it. Alright, I'm wrapping this one up right now. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow with day 29. Bye-bye.